Hi, Emily Journey here. This video is going to show you how to update your Avada WordPress theme safely. So if you don't go through the process of updating your Avada theme in the correct fashion, then you can run into problems. So the first thing you want to do is start with making sure your theme is licensed. And so you can do that by hovering over the word Avada, click on registration. And I think this is interesting. It says, I'm getting a message here that says your product is already registered. So you have access to the Avada demos, automatic theme updates, and the included premium plugins. And so there's a code here, and I do have a warning that I don't have the necessary permissions and that I need a new token. So I'm not really sure what that's about. Let's see if it creates a problem for us. So that's if I hover over these two arrows going in a circle, I kind of think of it as a recycle symbol. I'll click on that, and then I'll see what all of the updates are needed are on my website. So looks like there's a new version of WordPress. There are 2 plugins that need updated, and then the theme needs updated. So the first thing I'm going to do is update the plugins one at a time. So I usually like to make sure my plugins are up to date before I update my theme. And I'll also update WordPress before I update the theme. Here we go. Okay, so plugins are up to date. I'll go ahead and update WordPress. And now I'm left with one update. And that's for the theme. So I will click Update Theme. And as soon as this processes, I'm going to have more updates that are required. So that's the thing about updating the Avada theme. It's always multiple steps. There's more than just updating the theme, because whenever you update the theme, you are then prompted to update the 2 core plugins that go along with the theme. And those are the Fusion Core and the Fusion Builder. So here now I have a new notice. So if I update the theme and then go along my merry way and don't really check to see if there are any more updates, then I could have problems on the website. I always update plugins one at a time so that if there is a problem with the plugin, then I know which plugin is the problem. So instead of trying to just update them all at once. I always make sure that I have a backup of the site as well as a way to restore the backup. So a backup is not very useful if you don't know how to use it and restore the site with it. So there's 2 parts to that. Okay, so I just updated those 2 plugins that go along with the theme. And then finally, the next thing you're going to want to look for, and that usually shows up, are patches. So I've updated the theme. When I hover over the word Avada, then I will see at the bottom of this list, it says Fusion Patcher. So sometimes Avada will have additional patches to go along with the theme update. In this case, there are no patches available, but it's not unusual to see anywhere between 2 and 6 patches that need to be processed after the theme is updated. So that's the final step, looking for those patches, going to the website to make sure everything is functioning as it should. And in this case, it is. So I will talk to you later. Bye.